Where are we going?
We're going to have a date with mommy.
A date with mommy?
Yeah.
Mommy and friends. Yeah.
Look at my face, so cute and so beautiful.
Yeah, you put some blush on.
Yeah, I put some makeup on myself.
We're going to have a date with Tita K.
Yeah.
Attorney K.
But the sun is so hot.
Yeah, you move on. So we're going to Soul Bake. That's where we're going to meet up with Attorney K. So happy for her. What should we buy her? A surprise.
Coffee.
Coffee, but we're going to a cafe. We have coffee there. What can you suggest? What up? No, you tell me. What can you suggest? See, come on. Look for some. Come on. Come na. Next time when we're with Daddy, okay? Let's go na. Uy. You want something for you? How about a notebook? A notebook. We will buy after this, okay?
Yes, we'll buy. Don't worry.
Don't worry, we will buy.
And yes, so finally natuloy na rin yung meetup namin after 100,000 months. But we're incomplete. So today we are celebrating a very huge achievement. Si Ma'am K, teacher namin siya nung college, and now attorney na siya. She passed the bar exam, guys. Anyways, we call ourselves Laurels, yung mga grupo ng English majors batch 2019. Yeah, 2019 before pandemic. So si Ma'am K, teacher namin siya since 2016, 17, 18, 19 ata. So yun, di namin papalagpasin na, alam mo yun, di ma-celebrate ang pagiging attorney niya. Hey. I mean, pagkapas niya sa bar exam. Lol. So, sumama si Raya sa amin because she requested Raya and Rohan pa sana. Pero ito, guys, I don't know. Sorry, Ma'am K, Therese. Pero, yun ginusto nyo yan. Isama si Raya. Paano na lang kaya kung sinama pa natin si Rohan? But, well, we had fun. We really had fun. So, chika-chika. And, yung tantrums ni Raya, nag-enjoy din naman kami.
Raya! Vlog, guys, because there's this little party. Tomorrow, little.
Also, wow ha, I'm very amazed sa babysitting skills ni Ma'am K. So, ang dami mong kayang gawin, girl. Love ya. Si Therese, pinabayaan niya lang ako at saka si Ma'am K dyan kay Raya. Be, ninang ka ha, tulungan mo kami. I don't know with adult friendships, like ang hirap talagang pagtugmain ng mga schedules ng bawat isa. We're busy working, busy with family, business, and all. Pero pag nakapagkita naman, bawing-bawi, and hindi pa rin nag-fade yung chemistry with each other, and I really love that. We don't need to, always chat or message or call each other. Walang tampuhan, ganon. So, naiintindihan yung pagka-busy ng bawat isa, and I love this friendship. I love you, girls.
Raya, say hi. Here. Come on na.
So voice over muna. The clips may look so calm and peaceful, but guys, trust me, feeling nila grocery nila or feeling nila pantry nila yung Shell Cafe na to. Kuha ng kung ano-ano. Tapos yung egg sobrang mahal, 70 pesos. Itong si Rohan. In the end, hindi pa rin ako nakatakas. Binili pa rin namin yung egg na yan, ha? Egg na yan, 70 pesos yan. Tsaka kung ano-ano naman laman yan. Nakakainis, pero sige. Anyways, pambawi, we got some freebies. Thank you so much, Shell. Babalik-balik kami dito. Hi, tita. Ito sa Rohan. Opo, nabasag ni Rohan yung egg and wala, tuwa ako sa reaction ni Shai. Pero kasalanan mo yung girl, hindi mo binantayan ha. Yes po, ganito po kagulo. Kapag may kasama kang dalawang toddler mag-grocery, tapos ewan ko, I don't know. But you'll learn to live with it or survive. Pero masaya naman, mahal na mahal ko naman yung mga anak ko. Anyways, yun lang. Grocery time today. My husband nasa gym na siya after namin magpa-change oil. So yan, during that time pinabayaran po sa akin yung 6 pesos na egg bago malinisan. Nakatawa.